Question number 4 of slot 1 CAT 25 paper. This is again based on the arithmetic, and this is little, you can say, calculative question, because here percentage calculation are very high. You have to do 3-4 times percentage calculation to solve the question. But during exam, it will be a bit challenging to solve this question within 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. If you are little more choosy, then this question you can keep in round, because not based on the toughness level, because it is lengthy and calculated. We can keep in round. Anyway, just we'll try to understand. One container holds 200 liters of solution of acid and water having 30% acid by volume. Means 60 liters will be acid and 140 liters will be water. Atul replaces 20% of this solution. Everywhere it is case of replacement. Replacement means total volume is not going to change. 20% of this solution with water. What is happening earlier? Solution is having 30% of acid. Now replacing with the water. Water means 0% acid. Means what will happen? Your acid percentage is going down first after doing the first operation. 10% of the resulting solution next replaces 10% of the resulting solution with acid. Next, what they are doing? 10% they are replacing with acid. Means earlier, now your concentration first from 30% will go down. Maybe it will go 20, 22%, 23%. Again, it will go up by something. It will reach maybe beyond 30 or maybe almost equal to 30 or maybe less than 30. Depends on calculation part. And finally, it replaces 15% of solution, the softened, with water. Means 2 times with water, 1 times with acid. God grace, it is not replacing with another liquid which are having some percentage of acid and water. Otherwise, it will be a bit more calculated. Because all replacement is done by either water or acid, then it will be little easier. Calculation wise, this is 200 liters minus 20% means 40 liters they have to take out. 40 liters, 30% will be acid, means 12 liters will be acid, and remaining 28 liters will be water. Just to subtract with original volume of acid, 60 minus 12 and 140 minus 28, 48 plus 112. Now, after doing this, 40 liter water they have to add, means water will increase to 152 and acid will be as it is 48. Earlier it was 30%, now it is changed to 24% because 48 liter in 200 liter. 48 liter of acid in 200 liter of solution, concentration will come to 24%. Next, 10% you are taking out means 20 liter you have to take out. 20 liter, 24% of 20, it will be 4.8 liter acid will be out and 15.2 liter of water will be out. And final, 20 liter you have to add in the form of acid. Finally, acid will come 63.2 and water will come 136.8. Your concentration will change to 31.6. Next operation, volume of course it will be changed. Volume of course it will be remain constant due to calculation is little easier. If volume is changing, then it is bit more calculated. 200 liter minus 15%, again 30 liter we have to take it out. 30 liter we have to, now acid is 63.2 liter, 136.8 liter is water. We have to just subtract 9.48 liter. Why? Because out of 30 we have to just change 31.6%. 31.6% of 30 it will come 9.48 and 21.52. We have to add 30 liter in the form of water. Final volume of acid will come 53.72 and water 146.28. Concentration wise, because it is 200 liter solution, it will come half of 53.72, approximately 27%. Option A. Good question, but of course lengthy, and we can keep it is for round 2. If you are very choosy and smart to pick the question during your mock CAT or maybe during your actual exam, keep this kind of question for round.